Shubor nakaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
Hadin laipu prasnem kajingya linti ka Nongtalang College. Kabadang yai ne kum ka college ka barimtam hakathan amlarem civil subdivision. Kala jam sha uwe umau jam bakan pendon kam ya ka yeng building ka Pura bat ka ba itanan. Kani ka dei ka benta ba kongsan ha ka jingya chaprang jong ka Pule puthi hakathan. Bat ka pauru kum uso jong ka jing treshitom bat ka jingyai bot dien jong MLA ka than ubalong ru umintri ka trat Pule puthi ka Sorkar Jilla uba alakmen rumbui. Ya kani ka college laseng dakador bash nong Nongtalang. Hapo ka jingyalam u MLA barim ka than uba John Deng Pomen house nem shiaja khandai spa prapopra. La ban kdo ba ya ka jingtei thamai ya ka Nongtalang College ha ka jaka ka Pura lani permanent kabadon ha kermya jong yaw Nongtalang West Joint Hills District. Laple ha ka khat waitrik ukla lingkot 8,000 apulai. But las dang ya ka jinglong class bat ka jingtre kam ha ka te ka college ka Pura ha ka khat artrik urumphang 8,000 apunriu. Habaya kren bat u principal ka college u Dr. R.R. Kharkongor ulay thu ba ka Kynriah no na ka college barim. Kabadon hapo ka shnong Nongtalang sya ka college ka Pura kasdang ha ka khat artrik urumphang 8,000 apunriu. Habaya day bat ki kamra class u loong ba kila piang lut baro. U principal ula kermen ling ba ka jing treshitom jong uba lakmen rumbui ki jing e on la aban weng kawai hadin kawai. Layo ru banya kren bat ki katuk ni ki Samla Pule ki bala Pynpaw ka jing sngongu bat ai khublai kerpang yo MLA baling ba ka jing yalam jong u kini ki layo ya ka building ka Pura bat ka campus ka ba itanan.
So we are in the new campus of Nongtalang College. This campus has been funded by various agencies like the UGC, and it has mostly been funded by RUSA under RUSA 1 and 2. And we have shifted to this campus this year. We started operating from this campus on the 12th of February this year. Shifted to this campus, but there are still many things that still remain to be, that are not perfect. The rooms and classrooms are all ready, but the problem that we have is that there's no network in this place. Network is very weak, and nowadays internet is very important. So one issue that we have here is the internet connectivity. Another issue that we have is the roads. The roads to the campus or within the campus are not ready, and also our football ground is also still under development. So there are a few more things coming up, like the indoor stadium that is still under construction. So these things are still in the process, and I hope that they will be fixed soon.
Dang menchwa hipor walai klasi hita hipo chnong district hawto bon kari bon bro the chibet the one kari chibet the like kari chitu the district hamen the emapo classroom le manda batai kot ki no hikai le mo district ha ka mai se ikmat le khmit bek chitu tamen no po he ni ban new college campus the snyau hun hai ti men sin oto ka new college ka building le des ha them ivi le manda batai kot ki no hikai yi ha teu concentrate te kat iwo batai ke des nyau thu ha oto chenim em aurim em yi le kari lem em de jingai surok te kat i wan lem em i teu pen aurim yi bai sel concentrate ya ki nong kai Pynpaw ka jing snyau ngu we ka jing snyau komen ya u minister yang i khoble u le bato lang ba yang u de yo ai kani ka college lang ba ka jing ya luti yang u de yo ai kani ka new college campus ka man ga ni i jing A1 ka surok Hima lumla rapsi ko tang minister de kulauri i yo pachinau kini surak the network melong mala khajak arab duna network tang wifi yo free hen college kantin le em hi ka om le biang hi ka lak le biang hi girls hostel le em hi temen dekut kelas 1 minister da leng bai jing ya lutiu minister the AOE artili ki bas yo libo ki i chichnong jar chinong i open sok hai i.
This whole campus is very nice, but the problems are network problem, and then there is no auditorium in this new campus. So I would like to talk about network issue because this campus is far away from the villages like the Nongtalang village, Dauki village. So network is very important here. So I would like to talk about that, and there is no auditorium in this campus. So I would like to talk about that.